Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is a very delicious Masala Yam Fry. Yam is known as Suran in Sindhi and in Hindi we call it jimikand. These masala coated slices of yam are shallow fried and they taste so good. They pair very well with dal chawal as a side dish. In fact, this is one of our favorite combo meals on vegetarian days. Other days we prefer fish with dal chawal, but even people who don't like yam are definitely going to love these, and I recommend you should try them once. Let's get started. Masala Yam Fry. This is a very delicious side dish or accompaniment that you can pair with your dal chawal. It tastes as good as fried fish. Try it once, I'm sure it's going to become your favorite. You can enjoy it as a snack too. My family just loves it. And it is so easy to make. Just check out the ingredients list in the description box. And let's proceed with the preparation. I've taken a piece of yam. It's called jimikand in Hindi. You cut it into thick slices. With the skin, we will remove the skin later. It's much easier this way. Select a piece where you can get nice big large slices. Now you can peel the outer skin. Cut as many slices as you require. Wash them under running water. Now take sufficient water in a pan for boiling the yam. Add little turmeric and salt to it as needed. Adding turmeric gives it a lovely color. When the water starts boiling, add the yam slices. We have to cook it until 80% done. Do not overcook it. If it becomes too mushy, then it starts breaking. Check for the doneness by inserting the tip of a sharp knife. It's done. Don't overcook it at this stage because we still have to fry it. Remove from the water into a plate and let them cool. Now we'll grind the masala for marination. We have taken coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chillies, ginger and garlic. Put them all into a grinder jar. Grind this into a coarse mixture. You could do this in a pestle and mortar too if you have time. That's the traditional way actually. Now remove this paste into a bowl. Add little bit of salt. Half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And little bit of turmeric, as we have already added some in the boiling process, so very little will do. Mix everything well. Now the marination is ready. Squeeze out some lemon juice, or you could also use some tamarind extract, whichever is convenient for you. Give it a nice mix. Now the yam slices are cool enough. We are going to marinate these slices with this green paste. Spread evenly on all the slices. You marinate these slices and set them aside. You can fry them just before serving. This marinated yam can stay overnight also in the refrigerator. In fact, it will taste better. But put it in a airtight box, plastic container. Don't leave it open like this, or put a cling film on the plate. This is done now. Just before serving, you heat some oil in a griddle or tawa. About 4 to 5 tablespoons. Spread it with a spatula. Place the marinated yam slices on it. After heating the oil, lower the flame. Keep it medium while frying. It should be adjusted between medium and low. Now we are going to fry these yam slices very carefully, flipping them few times until the masala gets cooked and the slices get a nice texture, crispy texture. After 1 minute, you can turn the side. The yam is already cooked up to 80%. Now this frying process will cook it perfectly. Take all the masala from the tawa and put it on the yam slices with the spatula. This way, make it crispy until it is perfectly done, flipping it few times. Nice. Look at this. So delicious. Check if it is done by inserting the knife tip again. It's done. Dish it out into a serving platter. Do share your feedback. I'm sure you will love this as a snack or as an accompaniment with your meals, especially dal chawal. Friends, if you are liking my recipes, do share them with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and click the bell icon and choose all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out the notifications. Delicious masala yam fry. Make and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. And I'll soon be back with another interesting and delicious recipe for you.